Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Archana here, and today again I'm going to alter this plate. So this is the ceramic plate that I have with me, and a few days back also I have created this kind of a plate. If you haven't checked that out, then do check it out. I will give the link in the description box. Last time I added tissue paper on the plate. So this time I'm thinking to add this net fabric I have with me. So I'm going to add this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, so this is you can see it has very nice pattern on it. So I'm going to add this fabric on this plate. I have found same fabric scrap, so I'm thinking to go with the same design only. So yeah, now I'm taking the glue here. Okay, so this is dried completely, and I have trimmed down the excess fabric that I had on this plate. And I have also added one more layer of the Mod Podge just to make sure that everything is stick properly. And now we will start working on this plate. So before that, what I'm going to do, I will prime this first, because when I put embellishment, then it will be a little hard for me to go down to all the intricate part. So first I'm going to add the gesso on this, and then we will add further layer. So I'm adding black gesso here. So it's dried completely, and now I'm going to add my elements. Okay, so here the focal of this plate will be this Buddha head. So before that, what I'm going to do, I'll just add these MDF pieces behind this, just to raise this Buddha head little bit, so that way it will look nice. Okay, so this is how it will look. So I will just add this. As you can see, I have added enough amount of heavy gel medium here, because this Buddha head is heavy and I don't want it to fall down. So I'm adding a good amount of heavy gel medium on these panels, so that it will hold this Buddha head. Okay, like this, and just give it a good trace here. Okay, so now to fill the empty space and add more interest, I'm going to add deco stones. This is the favorite part of the project, you know. I just love adding deco stones in my project, and it really enhances the beauty also. So here first I'm adding big sizes of these stones. Okay. And in this I'm going to add Mod Podge, so it just hold it nicely. You can use any other PVA glue as well. Okay, so here I am also adding a little bit of this stone paste. This gives very nice texture onto the project. So here I have tried little bit and it looks awesome. So I'm thinking to add little bit here and there. So just to fill this, just to fill the empty spaces, and also it will give nice textural look onto the project. Have a look, it's completely dried, and now I will add black gesso. This is dried completely, so I let this dry overnight, and now I will color this. So to color again I'm going to use chalk paint. So now I'm going to add these metallic wax just to finish this piece. Okay. this is how it looks as of now. I will let this dry completely for overnight, and then I will just add some varnish over it, and it's ready to hang. Or you can also place it on the plate stand. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this process. I will be back with another project. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy creating.